Hey guys, it's Million Dollar Photography, where we capture the moments that captivate you infinitely. And we're back to this amazing tutorial, this amazing and beautiful series, color grading like a pro. So, we're back here in Capture One. I told you that I'll be exporting the picture down to Photoshop and we'll be commenting the frequency separation. So, without further ado, let's get started. So here we are in Capture One. Yes, and this is our beautiful model. Yeah, so all we need to do to export down to Photoshop, you're gonna right click, then go to edit with. Yeah, you might want to use export and click on the variant. Don't click on originals, click on the variant, then it's still gonna export the same thing. But I love using edit with, so it just go straight to the Photoshop. Yeah, straight inside Photoshop. That's the plugin that I'm going to use to edit my picture. So don't use open with. Yeah, it's going to open the same raw image again. So edit with Adobe Photoshop CC19 and click OK. So just wait for it to export. As you can see, I just wait for it to load that and okay, yes, so it's down to Photoshop. So I'm going to quit this now. Capture One, yes, gone. Quit it now. Then voila, we're in Photoshop. So let's commence the frequency separation. So what is frequency separation? Frequency separation is separating the skin tones from the skin details. That's just it. That's why they name it frequency separation. So what you need to do first and first is you hit Ctrl J twice, you create a new layer, so just two different layers. So all you need to do is Ctrl J twice or Command J on your Mac. So Ctrl J twice. Yes. So then you go over to the layer one here, go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So the trick for me in Gaussian blur, this is just a little secret, is I choose between 8 to 14 for my sharp images, and I choose between 3 to 5 for images that are not that sharp. That's just me. That's what, and it works for me. So different things work for different people. Well, this particular radius works for me. So I'm gonna go with that. 9.2 is okay. So click on OK. Then we'll head over to the layer one copy. Go to image, apply image. So for the first time when you launch Photoshop, it's not going to be like this. Yes, so it's going to be this way. It's going to be this way. Yes, and I think it's going to be normal. So there about. It's going to be normal. Yeah, something like this. So all you need to do, change the blending mode to subtract like they did now. Then you change your scale to 2, offset 128. Then you change your layer to select the middle one, that's the layer one. So yes, and you click OK. Yeah, I know our picture is not there, right? It's to do this just like that. All you need to do now to bring back our picture is come over to your blend mode, then click on linear light, and voila, as you can see, our picture is back. So I'm gonna group this into two groups. So Ctrl J, sorry, Ctrl G, Ctrl G, yes, and it's into group. Then we name this frequency separation. Then you open it up. Let's name this our skin tone, and this our skin detail. So the thing is, the ash layer, it's the skin details, then the other one is the skin tone. Now what you're going to do is, first of all, we're going to remove all these blemishes on our face, the pimples, the rashes, all those unwanted lines on our face, the stretch marks and all this. So you're going to come over here, come to the tools panel and click on your clone stamp tool. Then you zoom into the picture. Then the powerful power of clone stamp is you hold your alt, you left click, and you remove. As you can see, remove. See, just sample, remove, sample, remove. Make sure you hold on your alt is like this. Then sample, remove, sample, remove, sample, remove. So just gonna do that now. Yes, you can see small. Yeah, you don't need to make the face that smooth. Yeah, she's gonna be like a doll, so you don't need to really remove or go into deep. Oh no, you don't need to do that. Zoom out, go to our body. Let's remove this now. So remove that. So, remove that. So, yes, I think this. Yeah, so for me this is good. This is good. We're done with removing the skin details. That's just a little bit about it. So we come over to the skin tone part, then you come to your mixer brush. Mixer brush, select your mixer brush. Then for the first time it's gonna be like this. Everything's gonna be black. Then it's because I've done this before, so all you need to do is uncheck this, then head over to your wet, 15, 100. People will ask that, why is it always 15, 100, or 30? Why are they putting like that? The powerful part about mixer brushes is just like when you're going for a painting. Whenever you dip your brush, is it that maybe you want to paint somewhere now, then you dip your brush into it, completely into it, and you remove the paint, or you just take a tip of it. So we are taking a tip of the mixer brush. We just want the wet to be 15, we want the low to be 15, we want our mix to be completely 100. That's when we start mixing. We want to be 100, and when the flow of the brush, we just want it to be 100%. So that's it. Okay, so now we're gonna start this now. Yes, so let's start this. Okay, so take your time and do this. It takes a lot of time, a lot of hard work, so just need to take your time. Don't rush it. Take your time. I'm rushing it because of the video. Yeah, and another mistake is whenever you're doing this, yeah, you don't make the brush so big. Yeah, and don't make it too small at the same time. No. All you need to do is increase the brush with this curly bracket on your keyboard to the specified environment. That's the specified part you want to use the brush. So just mix. All you need to do is mix. Mix. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will not be editing the picture completely. I'll show you the output in the next video. That's the dodge and burn aspect, the next part. So see the output. Just take your time. That's just the trick about frequency separation. Take your time. Don't rush it. Take your time. Take your time. Yeah, and also don't drag the shadows into the highlight, and don't drag the highlight into the shadows. Yeah, you tend to have some distorted face. The face is just be completely blown out, like to be smooth. It's gonna be flat. Yeah, that's the word. It's just gonna be flat. So just take your time and do it. Yeah, I know it's stress, but don't worry, you'll like the output. Okay, just take your time. Take your time. Takes time. Yeah, so just touch this a little bit. Yeah, so earlier I said for the sake of this tutorial, I won't be completely editing this picture here. I'll be showing you the output in the next video, but you can see our before and after. We've done a lot of work already. Before, after. So that's frequency separation. And in the next video, I'm going to be taking you through dodge and burn, or highlighting and contouring, as you wish. So thank you so much guys for staying to the end of this video. Yeah, and please don't forget to join the $1 Million Photography team on Instagram. That's $1 million_photography. No space in between, $1 million_photography on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also hit that notification bell so whenever I put a video, it's gonna pop up on your phone or any device you're using to stay connected to us. So stay safe guys in this period. Just stay safe please and keep up with us. Thank you so much. Peace. Have a wonderful day ahead.